In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Uber not sending verification codes. So the first thing to do is check your spam folder in your email account and make sure that the senders of Uber are verified and accepted. Make sure your phone number is the same as the one on which it has been installed. Try using another verification method, so via email or something else. Make sure your code is correct. Validate the country selected before the number is correct. Look for a good Wi-Fi and data connection. Try to use another device to see if your device is the problem. Close and reopen the app and try the verification again. Also, make sure that your VPNs are not active. Here are some final things that Uber says that you can do. Your phone number might be entered correctly. That's unlikely, but double check. Maybe your phone carrier is blocking the shortcode SMS that Uber is trying to send to you. Contact your mobile provider and see if it can be enabled. Another thing to do is turn your device on and back off. Same with internet connection via your device. Turn it all on and off again. If it still hasn't worked, please share your mobile number here and select the code that applies, as well as any information here, and this will get Uber to help you out. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.